Before now, the only way to access a photo or graphic that has been uploaded to the system was to find a story associated with those media files. With the release of our media management tools, you can now search for media files of many different types outside the story context. You'll notice that the pipeline has two tabs, Stories and Media. If you click on the Media tab, you'll be taken to a search interface much like the Stories pipeline you're used to. When you first upload the page, you'll see the most recently uploaded media files at the top of the list. You can always search the page number links to surf through the files, but you'll most likely want to use the general search, creator, file type, tags, and uploaded filters to narrow the number of results displayed. Just remember that you are searching for terms related to the media files themselves and not necessarily a story which they might or might not be attached. Once you've found the files you're looking for, what can you do with them? Well, for starters, you can download one or more files simply by checking the box next to each file and then clicking the download button on the far right. If you select more than one file, they'll be downloaded as a zip archive, which you just need to double-click to extract the files. Selected files can also be attached to stories from this interface. Once you have files selected, click the paperclip icon. What you see now is a mini version of the Stories pipeline that will help you find an existing story in the system to which you'll attach your media. In this case, I have a story I want to use, so I'll type photo upload test in the tile search field. Once you find the story you're looking for, you'll need to select the content task to which you want to attach the media. Veteran users of the system already know that a given story can have more than one upload photos task or more than one upload graphic task, so you just want to make sure that you're attaching it to the right one. The system shows you who is currently assigned to each task to aid you in choosing the correct task. If there isn't already a media task open, you can opt to create a new one by selecting New Media Task Available. Now just scroll down and click Attach Media. The system will notify you when the attachment was successful. You can even click on the link in the notification to go right to the task to verify that the file was attached. The third icon on the media pipeline page is for uploading media directly to the system without immediately attaching the files to a story. This comes in handy for bulk uploading to a media library and works exactly the same way as the familiar form of the Upload Photos interface. The only difference here is that any files you upload won't be attached to any story at all, but will be available to anyone in your organization. You'll be prompted to enter caption, credit, and source information and optionally tag the files before saving the files to the media library. The media pipeline is for more than just searching files. You can also preview them right on the list. To do so, simply click on the thumbnail or file name of the file you want to see. You can use the arrow keys to the left and right of the page to advance to the next or previous file from your search. Likewise, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to do the same thing. You can also click on the Metadata tab on the file preview to see relevant information about the file you are viewing, such as when it was uploaded or where it came from. This information might or might not be editable by you depending on your system permissions. The third tab is Associated tab. Clicking here will show you any stories in the system that are attached to the file you are viewing. Also notice that you can attach, download, or even print the file right from the file preview window. That's all you need to know about the media pipeline page, but there's one more aspect of the new media management tools that will make your lives easier. These tools can also be accessed directly from any media task in the system. How does that work? Well, let's take a look. Here's an upload photos task. In the normal workflow, you'd use this page to upload photos from your computer. But now you have two other options. You can provide a link to the photo you want to upload if it is currently hosted on another website. When you click Add, the system will download the image from the website you provide. While this is faster than finding a photo on a website and downloading it first to your computer, the same rules apply. You can only upload media files you have rights to. Never add photos from websites or search engine results unless you are authorized to do so. The other new way to add media files to an existing task is to click the Search Library link. Doing so reveals a compressed version of the media pipeline. The only difference in how this works is that any media you attach from this view will be automatically attached to the content task that spawned it. Simply search for the files you want to attach and then click the paperclip icon and then the Attach button. The files you selected will load onto the form where you'll be able to edit captions and add tags as usual. You can also click on the thumbnail images from this view to open the preview page just like you can from the regular media pipeline. One important thing to notice is that when your files begin loading on the page, the media search interface is hidden so you can get back to work on editing captions. Just click the Show Controls link to get the search interface back. That's all there is to it. We hope you enjoy using this new feature.